Okay, quick backstory. About a month, or a little over a month ago, got called out on the swarm list about a farmer who had honeybees that had moved into one of his gourds that he used as a birdhouse, a purple martin gourd house. And went out there, checked it out, and lo and behold, they definitely were honeybees moved in there. They had already started building comb. So I took the gourd, popped it off the stand up in the air, popped it in a 10 frame brood box standing upright, and I added like 4 frames of old wax comb next to it, and I did add 1 frame of resources, hoping that the queen would feel constricted in that little teeny space inside the gourd and move out into the hive. Well, up to now she has not done that. Couldn't believe it. So she's packed in there crazy. So many bees, they can't fit inside the gourd. So I'm going to have to grab a frame of brood, open brood, off another one of my hives, throw it in here. I'm going to cut the gourd in half and pull the bees out of it. Check it out. Yep. Here's the girls. I'll show you a quick view of the girls down inside here. And yeah, you can see the girls. They're all over the gourd because they can't fit. They can't fit inside. There's just too many bees. So I'm trying to get them to move out actually into the hive, because they'll never winter over in that small space there. So I'm going to use a Dremel tool, and I'm going to cut that gourd in half, and it's going to be a mess. Bees will be unhappy. I'm going to have to shake the bees down inside of the frames here, and hoping the queen will take to it and she'll start laying. But yeah, so that's kind of the backstory and where I am with this. You can see the comb is actually sticking out of the front. Comb is actually sticking out of the front of the hive, which is crazy. I mean, sticking out of the front of the mini hive, out of the gourd that they made their home. So we'll check it out, see what the scenario is here. This is going to be funky, but yeah, so let's go to it. I'll crack this open. Give me some space to work in. Give me some space. Got my smoker going. Just need to calm the girls down a little bit. But yeah, there it is, man. That was pretty cool. So I'm going to have to pull this off, slice and dice it. So let me go grab a frame of open brood, and we'll continue this video. Okay, got some resources in there. Rock and roll. Cut that open. Let's go. All right, let's do this. Gloves back on. I'll pull this out, show you what she looks like. This will be fun. Like a mini cutout, super mini cutout. But we shall see. All right, so let's check it out. Take this out. I stuck some open brood, a frame of open brood in here, and a frame of resources. So hopefully get the queen, shake the queen out, shake the bees out, and we'll be good. You see how they built the comb, like sticking right out of the hive. I'm now got to be careful cutting it open not to kill the queen. So this will be fun. This will be fun. I'll brush them off, and then yeah, I have at it. Girls will not be happy, I'll tell you that. It's pretty heavy. Smoke them a little bit, just to chill them out in case they're agitated. It's gonna be a mess. You see the comb sticking out there. I need to get it open. They'll die inside this. I don't cut it open. So get my Dremel tool. Do without killing to me. Ooh, shit! I just killed a bee. Get back, get back. This will be fun. Let's go at it. There we go. The Dremel tool works. Let's see how tough this wood is. Man, this thing's thick. Man, it's gonna be crazy. Like a dentist. Beekeeping, you just never know what you're gonna find. I hope you're going all the way through here. Bees aren't happy. Okay, girl. You're getting there. You're like, great. I'm doing this to help you, not hurt you. Man, gorgeous. Crazy. Strong. He's out killing bees. Touch that like that. Lighten me up. Some parts of the gourd are really thick. Okay. Alright. Fish stop bees. I hear them talking inside there. They're like, what's going on? Let's see if I can crack it open. This will be interesting, to say the least. Alright, get back. Get back, girls. Caught in my suit. That's great. Oh my gosh, come on now. You gotta kid me. Come on now. Bunching up on the front. Bunching up on the front of it. Like, man, what is going on? Destroying my home. There's got some resources. Got some brood here. A frame of brood. Open and closed brood there. Oop, sorry. And then just some comb. Well drawn comb. Plastic foundation. Man. Alright, here we go. See, crack, this will be a mess, man. These girls will not be happy. There we go. Good stuff. Ooh, snap. It'd be awesome. It comes out one chunk. From the top. Oh gosh, come on now. Look at this. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, what I'm talking about. Until you see this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, check it out. Whoa. Show you the bees in the bottom. Shake them out. We got check this out. Awesome here. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's amazing. Man. I might just hang it down. I guess I'd probably cut it out. Man, I see brood in there. That's a hot mess right there. Hot mess. Oh, shoot. Hot mess. Yellow jackets coming in, trying to take over. And the bees ran down that little bad boy. What am I gonna do? That's crazy. Just to see if I can get her to come out again without destroying this whole thing. Let me try something here. They're still hanging. That's crazy. Look at them. Yeah. They're just fired up, man. Alright, girls. Do your thing. They're fanning the queen's pheromone. Like, oh, dude. Okay, come on. Come on with your bad self. Man, that's crazy. Yeah. So yeah, I could shake them out, man. They're just so packed in there. Man, look at that. I'm gonna see if they see the brood right there. I put some open brood in there, hoping they'll migrate down inside. But shoot, I don't know. A lot more bees I thought crammed inside that little thing. Crazy. Need to get some more frames in here. Alright. One more look at the craziness. And yeah. So let me manipulate it a little bit and see what I can do.